Oh, Chevre. There he goes. He's knocking. I think Medease is here. Shalom Aleichem. Sorry. Kimaran. Check it on. Chevre. I literally hung up a couple of minutes ago with the doctor, and he said he's going to send over an assistant, a medical assistant. Here you are. Chevre, check it on. Let's go. Okay, here we are. Lamaran checking. Come in.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, so I spoke to the doctor before. I told him that my daughter's having an earache, and he says he's going to send over the medical assistant. I do for a living vlogs, videos of businesses. Do you mind if I video this experience? Because I heard from friends that it's the most seamless, easy, fun experience. And I want to share it with my followers. Okay. So let me give you a little mic, we call it. I'm going to say, Chevre, check it on, and I'm going to start. Okay, going to put on this mic, we call it.
Thank you.
Give a clip on over there. And yalla, Chevre, where's Malki? Where's my daughter? Oh, here she is. She's all ready. Let's go. Let's sit her down on the chair. See, look how comfortable she is. Look how rude she is. Just the fact that she's in her own environment, right? Look how calm she is. By a doctor's office, don't ask what goes on. She's screaming, she's jumping, she's fighting. The Ruakai, she's in her own environment, her own place. She's calm, she's happy, she's excited. All right.
Just doing an ear exam, right?
An ear exam, but so how does it work? Let me see.
So I'm going to take a video.
So that is a camera?
Yeah.
Okay, Chevre, check it on. Let's go. Let's do this.
What's this Chevre checker on shtick?
I guess you're not from the. You know what Chevre means?
I know what Chevre means.
That's my slogan. Yeah, I guess you never watched my videos yet.
No, not yet.
All right, you're gonna sign up right now to my status. You're gonna start watching it. Chevre is the slogan. My slogan is Chevre, check it on.
You think we could change the slogan to Medease this time?
Oh, you're putting a challenge over here.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what? Challenge accepted. Medease, check it on. Let's go for it.
Okay.
All right. So what are you doing over here first?
I'm gonna take a video inside the ear, and then we'll.
That is a camera.
It's a camera. Takes
No way.
a video.
Look at that, Chevre.
Send it to the doctor.
So that goes straight to the doctor, and he examines it. Look at that. I don't want to show what's in my daughter's ear over there. We got some diamonds. Wow. I love the slogan on your shirt. I noticed before.
Yeah.
A personal visit.
That's what we do.
It's not much personal. I'm telling you, she is so calm, so ruig. This is next level.
Perfect.
Sorry, Medease. Did you see that? That was cool, man. Medease, that is super cool, Medease. It doesn't stim. Okay, listen, we'll have to do it for you.
I do.
It just Medease. Okay. Okay, look at that. Cute, kid friendly. Look at that, Malki. Look at the finger over there.
Hey, temperature looks
Temperature is good?
Yep.
So nice. I love this. The seamless, the easiness, the ruhigkeit.
That's what we do.
This is so fun. I'm telling you, I sat hours by offices, waiting and this and kvetching and all the sick kids are jumping around. Ruhig, in the comfort of your house.
Chaim, is that your name?
Chaim is my name.
Okay. We're going to check her height and weight.
Height and weight.
Yep.
I guess that's meant for little kids.
Yeah.
I wouldn't kind of fit on
No,
that.
it's for everybody. Everybody can fit.
Really?
Yeah,
I can fit in it? Okay, Malki, let's go with that. Let's go on that. Step up. There we go.
There we go.
Look at that. Hind and eyes. I love this. Medease.
Hey.
You guys rock the house.
And we'll do the height.
Look at that little tape measure for the height.
Groot. Look up.
Look up, Malki. Look at the sky. Chevre, Medease, this is the main point over here.
Yeah.
The prize, look at that.
I always gotta have a prize.
Okay, now I have my whole family behind me. They're all sitting nice on the couch. They watched, they also want a prize. You have enough for everybody?
Of course, everybody can have a prize.
All right, Chevre, you can all come get prizes. Take out your hands. Nice and easy, let's see.
Nice.
Wow, look at the prize. The Oilem Kim Tzagay mit alle Zaten. Everybody's getting prizes over here. Stick out your hand, everybody.
Yeah.
The Oilem Kim doing Größen. The Oilem is coming and getting prizes over here.
Anybody else?
Wow, get back here.
Another one?
Ganze Mishbuch over here. Look at this. Wow.
Anybody else? Good. Okay.
So you had the whole family have a mind, man. Okay, Mark, you say bye to Medease.
Bye.
Wow. This was an experience. So let me ask you before we wrap up.
Sure.
What is the locations you service?
So we do Borough Park, Williamsburg, Crown Heights, Upstate, and also the Catskills, the mountains.
Nice. You're doing the summer of the Catskills?
Yeah.
What's a nice bungalows?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice. Camps as well?
Yeah, of course. Wherever you are.
Wow, that's
Wherever you
amazing.
need. Yep.
No more waiting in line by the infirmary with this. You come down to camps, bungalow colonies.
Exactly.
Wow, but by me, I only had couple of kids behind me on the couch who got prizes. When you come to the camp, you have to bring a box load of prizes.
We're all ready.
Everybody's gonna stick out their hands for the prizes.
We're ready.
But it's very nice that you give everybody prizes.
Yeah,
Makes everybody feel part of it.
Yeah, makes them happy.
Unbelievable. Let's go over the stuff you do.
Yeah.
By my daughter, you checked her ears. What
Yeah.
do you? What are the other services you
We
provide?
also do, yes, we did an ear exam, we do throat cultures, respiratory panels, viral swabs, urine samples, blood work,
Really? Blood
Yeah.
work?
anything you need.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That is really cool. I mean, I took somebody for a blood test a couple of weeks ago. It took a
Yeah.
long time, the waiting, the this, the that. You come to the house,
None of that with us.
in the comfort, and you give a blood test. That is so
Exactly.
cool.
Exactly.
All right, so what is the phone number?
718-208-2030.
718-208-2030. Medease is at your door.
Yep.
Seamless ruhigkeit in the comfort of your house. Chevra, I recommend it. I love it.
Not Chevra, Medease.
Ah, you caught me again. I think I slipped the middle of the video, so you didn't catch me on that one. Medease, check it out.
There you go.
I recommend it. Medease it is. A personal visit with a personal touch. And the phone number's on the screen. Everybody could check it out and experience the same experience I had themselves. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for coming.
Of course.
I'll
Have
take
a
the
good one.
mic killer back over there. Don't my mic killer, my mic killer, my mic killer. You're walking out with my mic.
Sorry.
Have a great day.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much.